Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I forgot to shoot the intro before I started driving, and I didn't want to speak while I'm like I don't usually shoot while I'm driving, but I just wanted to do the quick intro. So I'm going for a solo staycation for the very first time. I'm going to Marriott. They are offering me a 2-night stay for free. I love my job, but there was no one available to come with me. They of course wanted they allowed me to have a +1, but no one was available, so I'm going alone, hoping to meet some new people. I'm trying to be a new version of myself. Okay, I'll see you later. I'll show you everything. Hi, I just got to my room. This is my room. This is the first time I'm staying alone in a hotel, and I'm so excited. Thank you, Marriott, so much. I love this. I have to shoot some reels. So I've got a gimbal. This is what it looks like. I've mounted the gimbal on my tripod. Hi guys! I was chilling in the room and now I've come downstairs for high tea. So they have written one full itinerary for me. So 4 p.m. was high tea. It's 5:30. I'm late. And there was also cycling. Cycling was supposed to be at 5. So if this high tea gets over fast, I'll just go quickly for cycling, because in the daylight the photos and videos will come good. I just didn't feel like doing anything. I just felt like chilling in the room and just doing nothing. But then I remembered I've come here to work. Okay, I have to make content for them. So yeah, I'm sitting outside. They have this क्या बोलते हैं, ऐसे बाहर का थोड़ा एरिया है. And this is the inside thing. No one's there. I thought it will be crowded since it's December go, or maybe the tourists have gone outside to roam. Maybe, yeah. Really cute stuff, and I'm gonna eat it all. Feeling like a princess. I'm getting so much things for free, and everyone's so sweet. I was supposed to go for cycling, but I think it will be late till the time I've finished this, and then it will be dark. I just had dinner. I forgot to vlog. Just want to show you something, okay? So there's a switch, okay? And if I press it, see, it goes down. If you want it up, then you just press the switch up. If you want to completely close, press it down. If you want to stop, then the middle switch. So cool! I wish I lived here forever. This is so nice. Toilet, mat dekho. There's a chair also in the bathroom to sit and have a shower. Peaceful shower. Like मैं ऐसे बैठ के, oh shit, I thought I fell. ऐसे बैठ के I can just take some nice shower. If there's someone who admires you, like your partner, he can sit on the bed and watch you while you take a shower. That's so nice. I mean, I don't have anyone. And I do feel lonely. Don't get me wrong. This is my first time. I never do this. You have to get used to this. Okay, first of all, I forget to vlog. I keep forgetting to vlog because I'm into this reels and photo shoots, because I have to make a reel for them and I have to click many photos, and I'm doing it all by myself, so it's a bit tricky. you know, I have to see my watch. I can see my viewfinder in this, and then I have to click photos and then, you know, adjust everything. So vlogging मैं भूल जाती हूँ, लेकिन I just want to show you this, okay? I got breakfast in bed and see how much they have got for me. Oh my god, I can't finish that. Look at this, you guys. This fruits porridge. There's a French toast, I guess, which I don't know if I can eat because it would have egg. But so many juices, and look at the pancakes, so cute. Guys, I am screaming like a kid. But yeah, these are 2 trays. There's one more tray. This donuts. Oh my god, there's a paneer paratha in it. That's the only thing I had ordered. Actually I had ordered 2 things. I had ordered paneer paratha and I had ordered poha, but they have given a lot so that, you know, I can take photos. Okay, there's egg and looks like bacon to me, which I can't eat, of course. And there's curd and there's poha also. He told me poha is there in something. Yeah, poha is there in this. Okay, I was just making my coffee. मेरा छोटू सा कॉफ़ी देखो और कितना सारा मुझे मिला. Oh my god, guys, I am too excited. Like, this is a dream life. Hey you guys, I just came back to the room from dinner. Whole day I was occupied with shoot. So there was one marketing person I was in touch with. She was there with me the whole day, and the photographer, and we bonded really well. Since I was alone, I had a good company today. Whole day they were with me. We had a lot of fun, and this was my first professional photo shoot, you know. You can see my swimsuit looks so weird. So I had a lot of fun. I mean, it was slightly awkward because I've never done something like this, but they made me feel really comfortable. So we had some references, so we were just, you know, making poses and everything. We did shoot on the terrace. So all these photo shoots was for the hotel, so they'll be using it. And then we did some swimming pool ka shots. Then we did brunch ka shots, and what else we did? We did room ka shots. We made one reel also, then one Christmas reel also. Yeah, I'll just play the clips because I couldn't vlog properly. So जो vertical clips लिए है with the phone, I'll post that only. After the Christmas reel, I came back to my room. It was around 6:30. The shoot got over, or 7. I think it was 7. So I came back to the room. I chilled for some time. 8:30 I went for dinner. Right now it's 10 p.m. right now. So I had dinner at 8:30. I had dal rice. Then I ordered my usual alio olio pasta. I had that, and after that I just, you know, explored things. I saw the gym. I went to see the gym. I think tomorrow morning I'll go to the gym. Tomorrow is the checkout at 12. There was a spa also. I went to the spa. I spoke to the lady. She was so sweet. We bonded really well. She followed me on Instagram. I followed her back. This is the first time I'm doing this, okay? Like, meeting new people, making friends, and I'm not even nervous. I can't believe this is Madhushree. This is something I used to never do, okay? I couldn't speak to people. And I don't know what's happening to me. I'm just approaching strangers and I'm making friends with them. I don't know what has changed in me, but I've changed a lot. And I think the solo staycation is gonna help me even more. You know, when you do things solo, you get the confidence that, okay, fine, you can do things alone, and which you thought you would never do. Like, for example, me, I never thought I would go up to strangers and make friends with them. But here I am. I made friends with 4 people since yesterday, and I'm speaking with everyone like they are my friends. So yeah, that is some change that has happened, and that is because of like going solo. Okay, I went for a solo movie also last week. I have been going to restaurants also alone. So uh, I am so proud of the new me. And yeah, I'm staying in a hotel room alone, you guys. And I still don't feel anything. मतलब ऐसे nervousness, awkwardness कुछ भी नहीं लग रहा है. I'm so confident. I feel so safe, so comfortable. If someone told the old Madhushree, she wouldn't believe that I'm doing all this. It takes like 2.5 hours to reach this hotel from my place. So I came all the way alone, and I'm staying alone. For most of you, this would sound normal, but for me, it is not, because I'm extremely shy and introvert. This is something I never do usually, but this is something I have started doing, and I'm really proud of it. I know I'm repeating it too many times, but this is something I'm really proud of, okay? And if you're like me, if you feel shy, if you're underconfident, I would highly recommend you to go alone. I'm still not there yet to go on a solo trip, but I think I will soon, because solo staycation से थोड़ा सा confidence आ गया कि okay, I'll manage, you know. It's not a big deal. पहले मुझे लगता था I need a company. Obviously I would enjoy a company, but जब company होती है ना, I switch my brain off. I depend on the other person. So if company is not there, you start believing in yourself more, because it gives you confidence that okay, you can also do it on your own. So if you're like me, would highly recommend to go through this phase. Okay, once you're happy alone, once you're confident alone, then find a company, but don't depend on anyone if you by yourself won't be able to survive alone. I was exactly like this. I was too dependent on other people, and I just didn't know how to be alone. But life has taught me some great lessons this year, and it's for the best. Everything happens for a reason, so life wanted to teach me these things. That's why everything just, you know, happened in my life at the same time, and it just taught me a lot of things. So for example, the staycation, like everything is in sync. I think the universe is really trying to teach me. I think the universe really wanted me to grow in 2024, and 2025 may I'll be much more stronger. And 5 minutes से मैं बक कर रही हूँ. So should I end the vlog here? No, I'll see you in morning also. I don't feel like ending the vlog here. कल सुबह भी, I don't know, who knows, I'll make new friends. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll just have a shower now and I'll sleep. No, I won't sleep even though it's past 10. But आज बहुत coffee पिया है मैंने. I think I had like 3-4 cups of coffee today. And I had a lot of food today. बहुत खाना खाया आज. I'll just do some time pass on the phone, I guess. And yeah, good night. Hi you guys, good morning. It's 11:17. I woke up around 8:30. I had changed my alarm to 8 a.m. and then I snoozed it. I usually wake up by 6:30, but yesterday I slept very late. I slept after 12 hours. I had a lot of coffee, so I couldn't sleep early. And in the morning I went to the gym. I didn't do much. I just did 2 exercises and I filmed myself, and I just attended my office meeting, and I'll be leaving now. I'm checking out. I really don't feel like leaving. I was feeling so cozy here. I felt so nice. I'm so grateful to all these people. Everyone took such good care of me, and this is not sponsored. I have to make a reel for them, but they didn't tell me to make this YouTube video. I just wanted to vlog it. I loved the experience, and I still can't believe I came here all alone. And Yeah, like checking in, checking out alone, staying in a hotel room alone. I still can't believe I'm doing all that. And as Monday has, so I have to work, you guys. So I'll just leave now. Oh, look at my shoulder. And I'll end the vlog here. Thank you so much. I can see my car through the window. Can I show you my car? Wait, I'll show you my car. See, the black one is my car. See, this is my car. I can see it through my window. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. I don't feel like leaving you. Hi, room. Feeling so emotional. This is my chotu bag. I have my tripod and my tote bag. Tatu, tata.